To assess how active your pupils are, you can either access the tool here from the assessment tool section, or you can go to the assessment tab at the top and you could go specifically into the physical activity tool. Complete PE will automatically default to the academic year that you're in. And here at the moment, I'm having to change academic year because it's pre the academic year that I've uploaded pupils for. So now I'm where I want to be. At the minute, Complete PE will just show me all pupils in the school. So I might want to now filter it to just look at one year group, and then I can see just that class list. Now, nothing's been entered at the moment. What's really important to highlight here is that the physical activity tool talks to the amount of activity that pupils take part in across a typical week, assuming that 2 hours of PE is taking place. So this tool is already assuming the pupils are active during 2 hours of PE every week. Then any additional activity that they are accessing, we can track and monitor here. Ultimately, we want our pupils to achieve and exceed the expected activity levels, which is a minimum of 60 minutes a day, 7 days a week on average. It's okay if 5 of those physical activity hours come in one day, as long as across the week they're meeting a minimum of 7 recommended hours according to the Chief Medical Officer's guidelines. So once you start to enter things here, we could start to say, actually, we know this pupil does some swimming outside of school, and this is going to involve quite a bit of fact finding pre being able to input the information here, particularly for activity that takes place outside of school. You might want to say that in school, we know that they attend a netball club, for example. However, sometimes it is a good idea maybe not to list everything here, but you could just put a yes or a no here because you'll already have this information somewhere else on another record. So it's entirely up to you. The box is really flexible. You can input whatever you want. The important thing is the amount of time. So if I say this is 2 hours and that this amount here is 3 hours, sorry, I've changed the wrong thing. If I put the amount of time here, sorry, is 3 hours, then we can see that actually the tracker changes at the top. Once you're happy that you've put everything in that you need, then obviously it's really important that you do save this assessment. So I just save that quickly. And now that's giving me my overall data. So at the moment, I've only done the data for one pupil. Only 17% of this class are meeting the expected activity standards. However, we haven't added everything else in. What you can also do here, though, is you can say if pupils take part in intra or level 1 competitions in school, or intra level 1 competitions outside of school. And again, you get another snapshot of the percentage data of pupils that are participating. And as we said, you can say you would like to see the whole school, the subject leaders particularly, so you're able to see that whole school data. Depending on how much information's been added in, that's going to be really helpful. But once you start to work through that activity, obviously the data will become a bit more meaningful, but it's a really simple tool to enable you to monitor and track how active your pupils are, to enable you really to create those target groups for children who maybe are not as active as you'd want them to be. There is a key that goes alongside this as a bit of a reminder as well as to what the levels are against. You could obviously do remember to click save, but you can download this, it will create reports, and obviously there's a help button if you need any further help.